Men with bald hair, come around. Today I have some good news for you. I just discovered a natural way to grow your hair back. I know probably you've tried several remedies or treatments with no positive results, so you're doubting this. All I can tell you is to just try this last time and see some wonders. After all, there's always no harm in trying, and besides, this is purely natural. All you need is a dried seed from neem tree and its fresh leaves. Now, you will have to roast the dried seed and the fresh leaves. By doing this, you are going to obtain an oily fluid. Get shea butter and mix it with the oil you obtain from the roasting. Then apply it on your head twice daily and wait as it does its magic by growing hairs on your bald head. Isn't this very simple and easy to try? Thank you for watching, share it with others, and let me know if your hair grows back. Remember, nature heals. I will see you in our next video.